So this code is all about car rental system. So first, the code starts by importing necessary libraries. Then this class car rental system is defined and have a constructor that initializes the GUI. So the constructor create the main window, which is the G frame. So this G frame sets up the GUI components. So the GUI components are created and added to the frame. Then creates a table model. So this table model is for displaying cars data. So natay array. So wait, natay array. So this array of column headers for the table. So also this creates new default table model instance with the specified column, headers, and 0 rows. Sunod, we creates a new GTable component. So kaning nga table is the data model that provides the data to be displayed in the table. So this code establishes a connection to a MySQL database. So kaning connection kon nga variable, iset ni siya into null. So pasabot ani is that declares a connection object and initializes it to a null. So natay try and catch block. So is used to handle exceptions that may occur during database connection. So also this con variable is gonna establishes a connection to the MySQL database. So this handles the action event for the add car button. So kaning add button that action listener. So this adds an action listener to add button defines the code to be executed when the button is clicked. So this make variable also retrieves the text from the make field, new del field, year field, and rate field text field. So this queries variable nga string is this defines an SQL query to insert a new car into the cars tables. Then also ngiyang try and catch is to use to handle any exceptions that may occur during the database operation. Ayun. So let's proceed to the update cart button action. So update button that add action listener. So this adds an action listener to the update button. So this expression defines the code to be executed when the button is clicked. So this row variable car table that gets selected rows is that gets the selected row in the table and also displays an error message dialog box. So this string query is defines an SQL query to update a car in the cars table. Also, this prepared statement PSTMT creates a prepared statement object to execute the SQL query. So let's proceed to delete car button action. So this adds an action listener to the delete button. Also defines the code to be executed when the button is clicked as well. So here in confirm variable nga nagamit og kanang end integer, so displays a confirmation dialog box to confirm the deletion. So prepared statement SMT also creates a prepared statement object to execute the SQL query to delete a card. So this PSMT, wherein our object that execute update or method executes the SQL query to delete the card. So here in clear button action, so this action listener is that defines the code to be executed when the button is clicked also. So this make field that set text is clear the text fields, then this card table that clear selection is that clear the selection in the table. So in row selection event, this card table that add mouse listener. So this is all about a mouse listener to the table, which is the method is called when a row is clicked. Then here in frame setup, this frame.pack pack the frame to fit the components, and this frame.set location relative is set to null, so it means that it sets the location of the frame to the center of the screen. So putting 600 and 500 size is the set of the frame. Lastly is that frame.set default close operation. So this sets the default close operation to the X application, and also lastly the frame.set visible means that it makes the frame visible. And also the main method. So this main method we use we put here the swing utilities that invoke later. So this means that we create a new instance of the current system class in the event dispatching trend. So this is necessary to ensure that swing components are created and updated at the correct trend. Example. Boom! Or mix. Ay, kuan. Mix. SUB. Ay, di man. Karusan. SUB. Car model. Ba't nabalibi? Ang car model mo is SUV. Hindi, dyan ang permit, di ba? 1, 2, 3. Yung bisbit. Yeah! Taran, 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 taran. Saan ba? Ito. Karmic? Di ba dito? Oh, pwede siya ba? Ayan.